Hi, my name is Amanda. I'm a receptionist at Grady Veterinary Hospital, and this is Rosie, and we're going to talk about dog bite prevention and what to look for, warning signs if a dog might bite, or and also how to go about afterwards if you do get bit, what to do, and maybe how to, if you notice signs in your own dog, how to handle that. There are some ways that you can tell a dog is uncomfortable and might be getting ready to bite. One thing is the tail between the legs. They can have exaggerated reactions like flinching if you move. Their ears can go back. They can, of course, growl and show their teeth, which are pretty obvious. So you definitely want to back off. Any dog that has those symptoms, not that every time they have those symptoms they are going to bite, but that's a good sign, especially if you don't know the dog. If you do happen to get bit, wash it immediately with warm water and soap and seek medical attention from your doctor, because it can get pretty serious if it's not treated. Usually they need antibiotics, and you also want to make sure that the dog is up to date on the rabies vaccine. Make sure that you get the owner's information. If children are most likely to be bit most of the time because they just don't have any inhibitions when it comes to a dog. They run up and they want to tug on the fur, and it's an exciting, fun thing to see. And so it's the best thing you could do with children is to teach them early that you don't run up to a dog unless you have permission from the owner. You don't pull on them, you don't climb on them. And that's the best thing you can do to keep a child from being bit. And there's also some things to do if you happen to notice these behaviors in your own dog. You want to not reward bad behavior. If you're at the vet or in public and they growl or they show some signs of aggression, you want to don't reward it. Don't pet them while they're doing it. You want to make sure that behavior is stopped and that they know it's wrong. It's very tempting to soothe that kind of behavior because you want to make them more comfortable because they're scared, but you want to make sure that you're not making them feel like that is okay. And if your dog does have a history of biting, or if your dog is very afraid of strangers, make sure that people know that. If they come up and want to pet your dog, just don't be afraid to tell them, not right now, he's uncomfortable or she's uncomfortable. Or if you go to the vet, make sure that they know that, for them to use some caution. So I hope me and Rosie's video today will help prevent some dog bites.